Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to extract chlorine from salt. To begin, understand that salt, or sodium chloride, is a compound of sodium and chlorine. We'll use a simple process called electrolysis to separate these elements. This method involves passing an electric current through a salt solution, causing the chlorine to be released. Always prioritize safety, as chlorine gas can be irritating. Gathering your materials is the next step. You'll need a small container, a 9-volt battery, and 2 graphite electrodes, which you can often find in old pencil leads. Prepare a concentrated salt solution by dissolving a generous amount of table salt in water. This solution will conduct electricity, allowing the separation to occur effectively and safely. Now, let's set up the electrolysis. Connect one graphite electrode to the positive terminal of your 9-volt battery and the other to the negative terminal. Carefully submerge both electrodes into your concentrated salt solution, ensuring they do not touch each other. You should soon observe small gas bubbles forming at each electrode, indicating the chemical reaction is taking place. Safety is paramount when performing any chemical experiment. Always conduct this process in a well-ventilated area, perhaps near an open window or outdoors, to avoid inhaling any gases produced. The gas forming at the positive electrode is chlorine. While this method provides a demonstration, handling larger quantities of chlorine requires specialized equipment and expertise. For more information and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.